When a camera app continually crashes, it can be due to a software glitch or faulty hardware. To resolve the issue, start by clearing the app's data and resetting it. This can be done by opening the Settings app, selecting the camera app from the list of installed applications, and then choosing the storage option. From there, tap on Clear Data to remove any stored information. Next, open the camera app and navigate to its settings by tapping the Settings button at the top of the screen. Select the Reset Settings option and confirm the action by tapping the Reset button. If the issue persists, it may be related to a hardware problem, in which case it is best to back up the phone's data and consult a professional who can identify the cause of the faulty hardware and devise a suitable solution. By following these steps, it should be possible to fix a camera app that keeps crashing.